Hello and welcome to Chasing RV Sunshine. Deb here. On today's video, we've got something quite unique and special for you, a spam contest. And one of our favorite people from Chasing RV Sunshine, Joel, happens to be the judge for the contest. Stick around as always to the end for bloopers. Hope you enjoy spam, and would you eat it? Let us know in the comments below. Hello and welcome to Chasing RV Sunshine. Deb, Joel, and Maya here. We are new to RVing and happy to take you along for the ride with us as we are feeling like we're living the book, RVing for Dummies sometimes. There's nothing better than feeling the freedom that RVing is bringing us. We are an RV couple with a spoiled dog that loves RV travel and feels RV love every time we head to a new location to show you how we travel in our RV. Hello and welcome to the second annual spam contest at Schuetzy's Tavern in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. But we're taking you with on this, and we have 8 locals that have made delicious spam dishes for all of us to try.
So welcome to the second spam contest. Last year's got canceled because of COVID, so we're really excited to do this. Last year we made, 2 years ago, we were on the news. We also made it into the International Spam Hormel newsletter, employee newsletter, so we're pretty excited about that. So first off, our 4 judges: Jenny, Laura, Scott, Joel.
Have you guys eaten spam before? No. Oh, and that's awesome. I love that though.
Virgin spam eater.
What makes you so special that you get to be a judge in the spam contest?
I don't think there's anything special about it. I just like spam.
Why are you the spam?
I like spam.
I just think I can be fair.
But how ours is going to run today, we had 10 people sign up for the event, 1 got called into work and 1 didn't show. So we're down to 8 amazing recipes happening today. They are judging the contest today. They have official spam score sheets in their cubbies, 1 for each person that comes up. As you saw in the rules, it's based on taste, creativity, appearance, and easiness. Those are the spam rules.
This is spam giving. It doesn't get any easier than this.
I can watch you do that for hours.
Box of stovetop stuffing, 1 can of oven roasted turkey spam.
I know it's working. I wouldn't.
Enjoy. I ground it.
I'm Joanne. And before you have a 4-bean soup, spam, regular spam in it. And you also have the ham spread sandwich to go with soup and sandwich.
Okay.
Hello. They're right up my alley there.
What's the name of your
Pete's Secret Stuffed Eggs.
This is a caramel. Got like a spam patty.
These are jalapeno spam, so if anybody has an adverse reaction to jalapenos,
Joel will take that.
Yeah, I'll definitely take that.
there is a shot of salted caramel whiskey. So that's just the glass.
It's a shot?
And take a bite.
And then now have a bite of your spam if you'd like.
Definitely. I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
My name is Larry Starr. This is my daughter Sky. And this is our grandma's 50-year-old recipe that she serves only at Christmas time. That's why we have Christmas napkins for you.
What was the name of it?
This is a pizza burger. Grandma's Pizza Burger. And to go with the patriotic theme I'm putting on, we got apple pie shots for you. It is made by grinding the Spam and Velveeta cheese together, browning the hamburger, mixing it together with spicing to taste according to Grandma's recipe.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Spam Rockefeller.
Thank you, Sir Craig.
Is that spam and oysters?
And it does have aphrodisiac properties, if you're wondering.
Too bad, Nate. She didn't.
Anybody?
Hey, everybody, I give you some more Spam-ors. We do have a slice of Spam. It's covered in chocolate right now. Because that's what happens when you melt it. We opened it up on the cracker. One on a Spam on a cracker and one marshmallow on a cracker. And broiled it to heat it up, and then I added the chocolate and sandwiched it together. And it's regular Spam.
Can you taste the Spam in it?
Yep. Yep, there's a layer of Spam right there.
The sweet and salt goes
Good.
real good.
So I was given the winners by the judges. I have it right
Bad a
here.
little bit.
Judges, do you have any final words?
Great job, everyone.
Everything was excellent. I would eat them all again.
Absolutely. Wonderful.
Second place gets a $25 bar tab to Schuetzy's. And second place goes to Spam Wars. And first place, it was a tough decision by the judges. That's why they were out there for so long arguing. First place goes to Spam Rockefeller. We'll work this out at home. So thank you again. Make sure you go eat. There's plenty of food. So we appreciate it.
So we have the king and queen or prince and princess of the Spam contest. What actually made you guys join and enter?
We used to do the Spam cook-off long ago at a different establishment, and it was a lot of fun. So we like to come up with something different and creative.
Yep, think outside the can.
Yeah.
Joel here from Chasing RV Sunshine with some fun facts about Spam. Spam was born in 1937 in Minnesota. Nearly 100 million pounds of Spam were consumed by the Allied troops during World War II. And Spam manufactures about 44,000 cans per hour. That's a lot of Spam.
We hope you enjoyed coming along with us today at the Spam contest. All the food was absolutely wonderful. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like this video and hit that subscribe button. It's free, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when our next video is out. Stick around now for the bloopers.
Hey, what's your Wi-Fi password?
Seriously. So Brandy made monkey bread with bacon Spam on top. This is not an entry, but it's delicious.
Another shot.
Oh, yeah.
Holy moly.
They know the judges apparently.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, whenever Hormel calls, it pops up on my smartphone, potential spam. I don't know if you take it or not.
Thank you guys so much. Thanks for watching Chasing RV Sunshine. Remember, life is about moments, not things, and we'll see you on the next video.